In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create international payroll in Deel, making your global hiring process smoother and more efficient. If you've been searching for a way to manage international teams and payroll without all the hassle, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up payroll across multiple countries using Deel. First things first, Deel is an incredibly powerful tool for managing international payroll. Whether you're a small business hiring a global team or a large company with employees spread across different countries, Deel handles all the complexities for you. With Deel, you can make payments in local currencies, handle tax compliance, and automate payroll to meet the regulations of each country. Now, let's jump into how you can set this up in just a few steps. To start, create your account on Deel. You can use the link below to access an exclusive and extended free trial that will help you get up and running without any cost up front. Once you're in, click on the Create Payroll option. This is where you'll set up payroll for your international team. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the country or countries where your employees are located. Deel supports a wide range of countries, so no matter where your team is based, you're covered. Once you select a country, Deel will automatically load the local tax and compliance rules, ensuring you don't miss any important details. Now, you'll need to input the details of your employee: name, role, salary, and any benefits or bonuses they should receive. Deel makes it easy to adjust these details depending on each employee's unique pay structure, whether they're salaried or hourly. If you're dealing with contractors, Deel also offers an option for that, where you can set up payments for freelancers based on agreed upon terms. After filling in the employee's information, Deel will show you the breakdown of taxes, deductions, and any other mandatory contributions. This step ensures that you're paying exactly what's required and taking care of all the legalities without needing to dive into the specifics of international tax codes yourself. Once everything looks good, you can move forward with processing payroll. Deel will automatically handle payments, currency conversion if necessary, and compliance checks. You'll also get a detailed report showing the payroll breakdown for each employee, making it super easy to track everything for your records. Now, here's the best part. Deel takes care of compliance in real time, so you don't have to worry about changes in local tax laws or international payroll regulations. It updates automatically whenever tax codes change in the countries you're paying employees in. That's one major headache off your plate. And that's how you can create international payroll in Deel. It's a streamlined, automated process that saves you time and ensures you stay compliant across different jurisdictions. If you're serious about simplifying payroll management for your global team, Deel is definitely the tool to check out. Don't forget, if you sign up through the first link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses. Take advantage of this deal before it expires. This guide covered all the key steps to getting your international payroll set up on Deel, but if you want even more in-depth strategies for managing a global team, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel.